Hello, kindergartners. It's Miss Potter. Happy Monday and welcome to another day of Countdown. Today we are going to learn all about the special words before and after. I'm going to show you two pictures. Here is a picture of eggs in a carton, and here is a picture of an egg cooking in a pan. One of these things has to happen before the other one can happen. I know that before you can cook an egg, you have to get it out of an egg carton. That means that after you take an egg out of the carton, you can cook it. This picture happens before, and this picture happens after. So I'm going to go ahead and move the before picture right here, and the after picture right next to it. Before, after. Let's try another one. Ooh, cupcakes, Miss Potter's favorite. Friends, take a minute to take a peek at these pictures and think about them. So it looks like this cupcake has a bite taken out of it, and this is a whole cupcake. Which one of these pictures shows what comes before? Yes, you got it, the whole cupcake with no bites taken. And what comes after the picture of the whole cupcake? Yes, the cupcake with the bites taken out of it. When you eat a cupcake, the cupcake has no bites taken out of it before you start to eat it. Then after you take a bite, this is what the cupcake will look like. So let's move them in the right spots. We have before and after. Fantastic. Let's go ahead and try another one. Take a minute to look at these two pictures. Now, kindergartners, which picture happens before? Yes, that picture with the seeds. Before flowers or plants can grow, you need to plant seeds. After you plant seeds, the flowers can grow. Let's put our pictures in the right spots. Before, after, fantastic. Let's try another one. We have chocolate chip cookies. Take a minute to look at the pictures, friends. Think about what you see. Which picture would have to happen first? Yes, you got it. First, you are going to need to make the cookie dough. And then after that, you can bake your cookies and they will be all done and ready to eat. So before you can eat your cookies, you have to mix the cookie dough. And after, you can eat them. Before, after. Let's try one more. Take a minute to look at the pictures. This one's a little bit tricky. Which picture happens before? Yes, this picture right here shows some cereal without any milk in it, some dry cereal. After you put the cereal in your bowl, you add milk. Before, after. Amazing job, kindergartners. All right, I'm going to skip these next couple and we will move on to the next section. We learned yesterday or last week that some things can be included in or belong to a category or a club because the members are the same in some important ways. Remember when we played Welcome to the Club? And we had one category for plants, but a different category for animals? Now we are going to play Welcome to the Club again, but this time we will start with two categories. Then we will sort pictures of things into one group or the other. Sorting means to take one big group and split it into two or more smaller groups of things that are alike. Here are the two categories. The first one on the left side is for red things, and the second one on the right side is for blue things. We're going to look at some pictures, and it's our job to figure out if the picture is the color red or if it's the color blue. Let's look at the first picture together. Are these blueberries blue or red? You're right. So I'm going to move the blueberries to the blue group or blue category. Let's try another one. Is this rose red or blue? Nice work, kindergartners. This is a red rose, so I'm moving it to the red category. Let's try another one. Are these cherries red or blue? Yes, they are also red. Amazing job. So now we have two things in the red group. Let's try another one. Are these jeans blue or red? Yes, they are blue. Fantastic. Is this tomato red or blue? It is red. Is this stop sign red or blue? Yes, it is also red. Is this butterfly red or blue? It's blue, so we're putting it in the blue category. Is this crayon red or blue? Yes, it's blue, so we will put it in the blue category. Nice work, everyone. We sorted these pictures according to their color. Now they are all in the correct categories. Fantastic work. Let's move on to the next activity. We are going to learn some words that will help us describe where things are when we see them. Remember when we looked at pictures, numbers, and letters on the board? Can you point to the place on your iPad that I called the starting point last week? Can you point to the starting point? Yes. You should be pointing somewhere over here on the far left side. We always start at the top of the page on the left side. You've got it. Point your finger up here again. Can you point to my arrow? And move your hand to show me in which direction your eyes will move. Can you move your hand across your iPad to show where we go? Fantastic. We are going to move all the way to the right. Starting on the left, moving all the way to the right. Let's look at a row of pictures. Can you point to which picture we are going to start on? What's our starting point? Fantastic, we should be starting right here on the acorn. So friends, what is the first picture that you see? Yes, right here on the starting point. It is the acorn. First is the same as being the leader. Just like when the class lines up and you get to be the line leader. You are number one in line and no one is in front of you or before you. So what's the first picture you see? It's the acorn, first one in line. Let's name the pictures in order, one after the other. What's the next picture right after the acorn? Yes, the next picture is the cloud. If we move our hands to the right, we will see that the cloud is next, right after the acorn. Nice work. What is next after the cloud? Fantastic. Next is the guitar. Now, friends, can you tell me what comes after the guitar? You got it. The carrot comes after the guitar. Now, Miss Potter is going to try to trick you. Can you tell me what is after the tree? Nothing is after the tree. Oh goodness, you are smart cookies. I wasn't able to trick you. There is nothing that comes after the tree. Because the tree is last. Last is the same as being at the end, like the caboose car at the end of a train. Last means that no one is in back of you or behind you. Let's play a game using these special words that tell us about order. This game is called All in a Row. Are you ready? We will see some rows of pictures. First, we will use the words before and after, like we just learned, to describe where these things are in the row. Let me show you the picture. Amazing. The egg is before the popcorn, and the popcorn is before the donut. The popcorn is after, the popcorn is after the egg, and the donut is after the popcorn. Let's look at a few different pictures. What picture is before the baby? What comes before the baby? The boy comes before the baby. Nice job. What is after the girl? The boy comes after the girl. Is the baby before or after the boy? She is after the boy. Is the girl before or after the boy? She is before the boy. Nice job. Let's try another one. All right, friends, what is before the knee? Yes, the nose is before the knee. What is after the ear? The nose comes after. Is the nose before or after the knee? It comes before the knee. All right, last one. Is the ear before or after the nose? Yes, it comes before the nose. Nice work. Let's try one last one. Is the shoe before or after the sock? Yes, it comes after the sock. What comes before the sock? You got it. The feet come before the sock. What comes after the feet? The sock is after the feet. Amazing job learning with me today, kindergartners. I will see you all tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching.